My name is Alihat Iftirasham and today we are going to look through my sketchbook. So let's start. So my first picture is I written down, "Hello, I am Alihat and I drawn some hearts all over." So this is my imaginary friend. She looks like this. And her name is Jenny and my name is Alihat. So Jenny and Alihat. Next picture is that all the foods that all these animals want. This dog wants a bone to chew. And this cat is wishing for a fish and a mouse. And this rabbit wants a carrot to eat. This little tiny baby mouse wants a piece of cheese. And this fox wants this giraffe. And the giraffe wants grass. So this was my animal picture. This is my heart picture. You can see that it's kind of popping out from this picture. It's like it's 3D. So this is a heart that I drawn that is flying high in the sky like you know that those wishing stars, and she moved day and night. That's why I done day and night. So this is my scenario picture. This is Hello Kitty. This is actually my sharpener. I just looked at it and I just drawn her. Look, the exactly same Hello Kitty that I have. It's actually a sharpener. And she wants this 4-leaf clover and her friend, I don't know, a chicken, or he wants a 3-leaf clover, so I put it an arrow to help them. And this is a squirrel. I just try to make. And I made a heart cloud. I written scenario. Oh, squirrel wants acorn. So this is my dad's portrait. He kind of looks like him, but look at his nose. It's so creepy. Daddy helped me do that. He looks a little bit funny with, that. What is that? Okay. But still I tried. Is this funny? Because I think it's funny. Very funny. Silly me. My next sketch is a flower vase doodle. Kawaii! Ooh la la! I written a flower and a princess and a prince. Whoa. I kind of have the similar vase and kind of flowers, but this is the difference that I gave them faces. So this is an art doodle. It's a sketch mixed with doodling. Look, this is actually doodling. And I made a cat. Oh, it's looking at the vase. She's trying to meow break the vase. So the next picture. This is actually not a sketch, but I tried to make it a sketch. So I made a unicorn sit on a garden, and here's a flower smiling at her dream. She's young here. You saw the difference. I'm so old. She wants to become a ballerina. Look. She's thinking of the future. Yep. Next coming up is India, one of the 7 wonders, Taj Mahal. These are people, tiny people. And this is a pond where it has its reflection. Now we are traveling India to France because Paris. This is the Eiffel Tower. Ooh la la! France, the bread capital. Yes, it's a bread capital. Look, these are taking pictures of them and taking a picnic. It's beautiful, right? It's very beautiful. So this is my next sketch. This is an apple. Happy birthday, apple. So this is the birthday of this apple. Wee! Sweet, sweet. So this girl, in every apple birthday, this girl eats the apple. That's so. Next is spinning toppers. Look, this is the biggest spinning topper I've ever made. Look, there's flowers and leaves. This is a fox and this is a stripey. So I've written spin, 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 spin. Flower, fox, stripe. Look, flower, fox, stripe. Spin, 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 spin. You're on fire. That's why I written made a fire. Like you do camping, so you collect logs and just start the fire. So next sketch is a flower, like floating in the air. Look, flower. This is a big flower and many, many flowers are with this flower. Ta-da! It's so beautiful, right? Next sketch is a landscape. Ta-da! There's some mountains, some trees, some bushes. Look, a pond with some two ducks swimming in the pond. Next sketch is a diya. Means Happy Diwali. I done it on Diwali. Look, this is a diya with some flowers decorated and some stripes and another diya. So I made logos. Live simply. How many times? Live simply, live simply. IQ Kids, McDonald's, Walt Disney, 7-Eleven, SOF, Wendy's. More logos. YouTube, Target, Apple. I don't know which logo is it, but it's kind of a shell. LG and Adidas, Pixar, Honda, Ford, Walmart. So next. And you know when a Pixar movie starts, a lamp comes and like replaces the eye. Next is a fox and a penguin. This fox is looking at the falling leaves, in autumn leaves fall in colors of red, yellow, and brown. And this is a cute little penguin. Aw, it's jumping for joy. Next is a penguin family. So this is a kind of storm penguin. She can resist the storm. She loves the storms. She's the sister. The loving penguin, of course, it will be mom penguin. Baby penguin, skating baby penguin. Aww, it is having fun. Cute baby penguin. Aww, a little woody. It's so cute. So the next sketch is a beautiful girl. Look at her eyes, so big and wide open, looking at us. And this is her long hair. I didn't know how to make those lips, so I just erased them up. Her name is Jenny actually. Her name is Jenny, but it didn't fit. I would just crush her face if I just written Jenny here. So I written the short form of Jenny, Jen. So the next is, it's a kind of a theme of the movie Up. This man is dressed up as an astronaut, and she is asking him that is he really an astronaut? But he doesn't talk. So she said to talk. The next is another landscape. This time I didn't make any mountains. Look, I didn't like that. So I just rubbed them off, and instead of that I just put in some trees. Next is Panda, and this is a comedy. I have to go to the market to buy. Then I did an arrow. Look, no bamboos left. So sad. Look, this is a little cat. Aww, and these are two cats. So one is holding a heart. Aww. Live simply. How many times do I have to see live simply? Next is not a sketch, but little doodles. I did some rainbows and an angel. So this is a grape, and this is the sun rising, and this is the rain, a boy and a girl. Run away, carrot! Hee hee hee. No! This carrot doesn't want to be eaten by this evil rabbit. Another runaway bone. No, gotcha. Oh no, he got broken here. His broken leg. Break fast. Get it? Break fast. Break slow. That one joke. And also in part 1, I just make them run away. So I forgot to make part 2, but I directly make part 3. So get it? Part king. Then if there's a queen, part queen. It is an mail office, so rainbowy. Ooh, I never seen an office like this. It's beautiful, right? It is also cute. Yep. Next is a mama turtle and a baby. This baby turtle is actually called hatchling. And look, Papa and Mama. So these two are also called fry. Fry. Like you fry a fish. Next is, whoa, tropical unicorn cake. It's cake time. So yummy. It's spitting rainbows, rainbow icing. And what? It has hair? Oh, that's actually icing. Whoa. What is that? I don't know. I didn't do that. Next is cute. She's blowing bubblegum. Ugh. Teenagers. They always chew bubblegum all the time. This is an angry face for this girl. Next is, oh, whoa, Rudolph. I'm Santa's pet. Hello, I'm Rudolph. Almost Christmas. Yay! That's true. It's almost Christmas. So, happy early Merry Christmas. Next is Merry Christmas. A gingerbread man, a Christmas tree, and he's saying, ho, 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 Merry. I did a mistake. Merry Christmas. Next is a little baby snowman decorating the Christmas tree all by himself, but he's still happy. So happy! That's why I did a tick mark. Got. Next is also a doodle. Look, these two are little and these two are big cards. Look, the tail. Wow, this has texture. Wow. Next, I also again made some things. So, sugar cube. I actually wanted to write marshmallow, but it's okay. I made a present, a stocking. You get it? Santa gives candies in here. The Xmas tree, Christmas tree. Snowman. Very realistic candle. So bright! Oh, my eyes! Just kidding. It's not a real candle. Here, the elves are being naughty list, but this is good and this is the naughty one. They have done a prank on Santa. He is stuck with chew gum, and a present falls down for the naughty one. So they're saying bye, bye-bye, bye Santa. So the last thing of the day is, wow, tulips. What I done, let me tell you the instructions that first I took a fork and then I just put it some paint and then I just printed it. And then with a brush, I made the vines and some leaves. Then with the glittery pens, I decorate them. This is a smiley, another smiley. The most favorite of mine is this one because it's dizzy, but it's still smiling. Get it? Smiley and it's doing this. Wee! I'm having fun swinging. This is also doing so many air. So much air. This is just relaxing. This is just sleeping. You sleepyhead, get up. Rainbow tulips. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Actually, I made this for my mom. We are for you. Written my name and don't look at that. So this is the end of my sketchbook. So this is the end of looking through my sketchbook. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.